So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket, and Google has released something big, that is Gemini Omni. It is nano banana for videos. Yes, you heard it right. You can edit any video now using Gemini Omni. Create anything from any input starting with video. Gemini Omni is where Gemini ability to reason meet the ability to create. It delivers a leap in the word understanding, multimodality and editing. View prompt guide. Edit through natural conversation. Think of Gemini Omni like Nano Banana, but for video. Build and fine tune your creation at any step with natural language. Transform your world, change aesthetics, effect based on your input video. As you can see here, the model is just crazy. When the person touches the mirror, make the mirror ripple. You will touch it and it will make it ripple. Now the big moment for video generation has come in. When the person touches them, the person should transform into pencils. And if you look at the example, it's just crazy, my friends. Same video, multiple edits, and it's this time it's video generation. I am so excited. I just can't tell you how great this model looks to be. Reimagine the action. Switch up what happens in your video from the ordinary to the spectacular. As you can see here, it's just zooming and make it look like the weird shape of my hand. When the finger in video touches the animal toy, plays. If you play this, crazy work. Prompt, the lights of the apartment starts turning on in sync with the music. So it's audio videos also. Edit real videos based on images. You can provide images also for references. Use the reference images to edit your creation, giving you even more creative control. As you can see here, input video, this is the image, and the final video generated is this one. Edit over multiple turns with consistency. Craft is seen step by step, changing specific details, environments, camera angles, and more. Input video is this. Transport the wireless to the image environment. Make the violin invisible. Change the camera angle to be over the violin's shoulder. It is editing everything, my friends. This is just amazing. Mind-boggling. Swap in different objects or characters with natural language. Replace characters and objects in your video just by asking. All while maintaining a coherent, cohesive scene. This is the original video. Change spaceship to object. This is the seed. It has been changed into a walnut. It will now change into a clock. A red frisbee. Raven. Amazing work. I think this is one of the breakthrough video generation model that has come in, and Google has hit it out of the park. Bring ideas to life grounded in Gemini's world knowledge. Create output that follows real world physics. Omni has intuitive understanding of forces like gravity, kinetic energy, and fluid dynamics for more realistic movements. As you can see here, a marble rolling fast on a chain reaction style track continuously. As you can see, it is able to do that with correct physics. Amino acids. Drawn real world history, science, and maths. It knows history and maths, my friends. It is not like that it doesn't understand things. Crazy work. Sync text with on screen action. This is just amazing. If you look at it, go beyond just rendering realistic text. Create videos that coherently connect text to what happens in the video as well. This is the full prompt. The video shows items of alphabet. An unusual item starting with each letter is shown sitting on the table. Reference anything, reference and combine. Ingredients to maintain control. Combine multiple inputs. Input audio, prompt, input image, input video, and then finally the final video has come in. My friends, this is just crazy. If you look at it, it is just mind-boggling. Transfer motion and styles. Apply motion and style preferences from an image or video across your output. Image video, image input image. So now it has come up like this. Very good work, I would say. The team has done some great job here. Swap characters or objects with a reference image too. So this is the input image, this is the input video, and now she's talking in her language. This is mind blowing, my friends. It is very accurately similar to Nano Banana, but for videos. Translate drawings into videos, turn sketches into realistic video. Input image. As you can see here, it is going in this particular direction as provided. If you look the direction, you have just drawn it, the water and then some motion, and it is able to do that. Turn this into realistic footage using drawing only as a guide. Create your own prompts, safety from development deployment. Crazy work done, my friends. I think you should definitely try it out. Try in Gemini. I think it's paid right now. You can't access it for free, what I've understood so far. But yeah, if you look here, you will get an option for in Gemini also if you have premium. Get more out of Gemini. So with this, it's a wrap. I think the model looks great. Gemini Omni is here to stay, and they have hit it out of the park. The final nail in the coffin of AI has come in, and I am mind blown right now. With this, it's a wrap. I hope you try it out. Thank you so much.